Hello friends, today we will learn how to solve the problem of XAMPP. Okay, when I want to start the Apache server, then you can see it will automatically stopped, but MySQL is running as it is. How to fix this issue? First, we should go to the config and then Apache httpd.conf. Then we will find where 80 is written. Then in place of 80 we will write 8080. Here also 8080. Okay, save this file. Now we again go to the config and SSL configuration will change. Here we have to search for 431 or 443, so we will write 4343. Okay, we will save this configuration file. Now we will again start this, and here you can see it is not stopping, so the issue is fixed now. Thank you.